guys, today I'm gonna be making adobo and I'm gonna be using the small rice cooker WolfGang Puck. It's a 1.5 cup of rice cooker. I'm gonna put the chicken adobo in there. So our ingredients for today is the chicken. I'm using chicken breast. We have bay leaves and soy sauce, garlic, a powder of black pepper, and cider vinegar. So let's go ahead and put this chicken inside. Okay, let's put the chicken first. Let's turn this on. Turn this on. So while we're pouring the rest of the ingredients, and let's pour some soy sauce. Let's put some bay leaves. This is dried bay leaves. Let's add some garlic. And black pepper powder. Last one is apple cider vinegar. Alright, and let's stir this up a little before we close the lid. Now let's put a little bit of water. Okay, here we go. Just a small amount of water. Alright, so let's go ahead and close it now. It is now 20 minutes past 1 o'clock, and this will be cooked by 50 minutes past 1 o'clock. So let's give this 30 minutes to cook. Alright, here's our adobo. Let's check our adobo. Hot, 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 hot. Woo! Alright. A little bit scorched. That's just what I like it. Alright, our adobo is a little bit brown, which is what I like. Yummy, yummy. So you are not Filipino if you have an adobo without rice. Check out the rice, ladies. Rice, rice, rice. There we go. Adobo, white rice, adobo paired with white rice. Alright guys, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. See you on my next video. Ta-ta.